Composed of two distinct bars that sit atop a steep site overlooking a bay in Southport, Maine, House on a Bay is a seaside house that includes a dramatic, cantilevered volume on stilt that stretches towards the ocean and the tree line. The design is a tripartite concept with elements in the ground, on the ground and above the ground. The lower bar is board-formed concrete that is carved away with glass and steel, while the upper bar is clad in phenolic wall panels. The upper bar is supported by angled galvanized steel columns that echo the organic and irregular pattern of the surrounding spruce trees. The ground floor consists of living, kitchen and dining spaces, as well as a garage and deck. The interior is characterized by a large glass staircase with cantilevered treads that turn with the rotation of the upper level. The living spaces have floating cabinetry and furniture, asymmetrical suspended light fixtures and floor-to-ceiling windows. On the interior, the architecture studio used a simple palette in line with the client's desire for white space on a page. Upstairs consists of 2 bedrooms, and this is one of the bedrooms with treetop views. Here's a look at the plan.